Hey guys, welcome back to my channel The Bubble Talks. This is Mansi and here's where we talk about personal growth and career development. Today's video is about how to give an interview virtually. A lot of us are giving interviews from home during these times, and I have very quick tips to make you effectively give these interviews from home. If you are somebody who is giving interviews online, watch the entire video and definitely subscribe to my channel because there are a lot of pro tips coming up just to help you guys out. The first thing that I want to tell you about is look presentable. I understand that this is not an in-person interview, but when somebody looks at you, they kind of make their perception about you in the first 10 to 20 seconds. So, to impress the interviewer, it is always important that you look presentable. Make sure that you've done your hair well, make sure that you've showered that way, and make sure that you are actually wearing a smart shirt or a good pair of clothes. A virtual interview is as important as an in-person interview. So you have to make sure that you're prepared not only with your resume and your answers, but also the logistics of it. One of the most important things that you need to make sure about is that the tool or the app or the link that you're going to use, it works well for you. So just before 15 minutes, you're not fumbling around how to start this tool and how to get on the call, because that will get into a whole panic mode for you. Make sure that you have the interview tool or the joining link or whatever information that you need at least 24 hours before your scheduled time. And you just try it out once and make sure that you're comfortable with using the tool for the actual interview as well. So during the in-person, you are not fumbling around. Because we are at home and sitting in our own environment and we are so comfortable, there could be times where we are not actually realizing that there is an actual person sitting across the screen, and we might lose out on giving that kind of attention to that person. Always remember that there is an actual individual sitting across the camera, and look in the camera. Don't look around, don't play with things, don't play with your hair. Like, we all have these inhibit habits that we might not know about, but just make sure that you're as attentive as possible and you're looking into the camera to give that sort of a personal touch, even if it is through technology. If you were to go for an in-person interview, you would definitely go on time, which is 10 to 15 minutes before your scheduled interview time. Similarly, if you're giving an interview virtually, you need to make sure that you arrive at least 5 minutes prior, so that gives you the time to sort of mentally settle in and gather your thoughts when the interview actually starts. Don't just sit there waiting for them. If you are waiting in an interview room virtually, make sure that you have your camera and your mic muted before the other participants sort of join in. That is one etiquette that you need to follow. Most of us will be giving these interviews through our laptop, and because we are sitting at home, there will be other distractions around as well. So it's always a good idea to lock yourself down into a room. Make sure that you're not distracted with your phone. Don't keep looking at your phone if there are notifications. And if the doorbell rings or if something like that happens in the house, just make sure that you have somebody around to attend to those things so that you don't have to get up in the middle of an interview. It just looks super unprofessional. Because we are still getting used to taking interviews online, there could be a scenario where you've not understood what that person is asking you. It's okay to sort of say, can you please repeat the question again? Sort of understand, take the time and then respond to them. Also, make sure that you are thanking them if they've answered some question for you, or even at the end of the interview when you're sort of wrapping things up. Make sure that you take 2 minutes to sort of say thank you for taking the time and taking this interview and making time to talk to me. After the call is done as well, make sure that you send out a thank you email to the participants if you have their email IDs. The last thing that I want to tell you all about is Always start the call with a smile. Although it's an interview, you have to go and make a pleasant impression in front of the person. So whenever you start with your video, make sure that you ask them, can you hear me? Can you see me? This is a good icebreaker, and also make sure that you stick a smile and genuinely smile at them. Don't just fake it. Also, when your interview is done, make sure that you're not the first one to just immediately hang up the call. Just sort of wait, take a breather, take 2 seconds, see if they are hanging up, or you can take the leverage to hang up the call. I hope that these tips help you give your next interview very effectively, and let me know if you all have any questions around this. If you want me to keep doing these kind of interviews, please do like, subscribe, share and comment in the description box below, so I'm motivated to help you guys out.